Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a curry which can be served along with rice, upma, dosa. The vegetables required for the same: Madras Cucumber, that is cucumber, or you can use ashgard. Mango you need, drumstick, coconut, and this is jackfruit seeds. During the summer season, when mango and jackfruit is available, this seed is used for making this curry. You need curd also, oil, methi seeds. This is for the tempering. Methi seeds, mustard seeds, and red chili, curry leaves, salt, and turmeric powder. What we have to do is you have to just break the jackfruit seed like this. This is the way it is made. We don't cut this, we just break it like this. Remove the skin, and it takes some time to cook. So either you pressure cook it for one whistle, or put the jackfruit and jackfruit first, cook it, then add the drumsticks, finally the cucumber, and after cooking the cucumber, add the mangoes will get cooked very fast. And you have to make a paste for this. Grind roast this methi seeds and one red chili with little oil, and along with coconut you grind this masala. After cooking the vegetables, add the masala. When it comes to boil, add a quarter cup of beaten curd in this. Mix well, then do not boil it, then put the tadka. While grinding, I am going to add little bit of curry leaves because it's good for health, stomach. So I always used to grind curry leaves whenever it is possible. The drumstick is cooked. Now we'll add the cucumber in it. The jackfruit seed are also cooked nicely. The cucumber is cooked. Now I'm adding the jackfruit seeds cooked here, and the mango, turmeric powder, salt. We'll cover this and cook now till the mangoes are soft. Vegetables are cooked nicely. We will add the ground paste in it now. The masala is added. Mix well. Add water because we need this curry little watery, because we are serving it along with rice, dosa, upma and all. So it should be little watery only. Now after bringing this to a boil, add the beaten curd in it. Adjust salt accordingly. Now to balance the sourness of the mango, we'll add a tablespoon of jaggery in it. According to the sourness of the mango, you have to add the curd in it. If it is very sour, don't add the curd. Even if you are adding curd, it should be very fresh and not sour. Otherwise the curry will become too, sourness will be too much, because we are adding mango and curd. When this has come to a boil, we'll switch off the gas now. We'll add the curd in this. I have taken fresh curd, so it's not sour at all. Now we'll put the tadka in it. We'll pour the tadka in it. So the jackfruit seed, mango, drumstick and cucumber curry is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel. Like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.